Are you considering replacing your entry door? Let's break down the costs and options for you. Entry doors, whether front, back, or side, are essential for your home's security and curb appeal. On Long Island, replacing an entry door with Unified Home Remodeling ranges from $1,400 to $5,100. Entry doors are more than just an entrance. They provide security, insulation, and are a focal point of your home's exterior. While DIY might seem tempting, professional installation ensures proper security and protection from the elements. The cost varies by material. Let's look at the options. Fiberglass doors cost between $3,100 to $5,100. They offer excellent durability, insulation, and a wood-like look without the high maintenance. Steel doors range from $1,400 to $3,200. They provide superior security, weather resistance, and require no maintenance. Wood doors offer a luxurious look but come with higher costs and maintenance, and are less durable than steel or fiberglass doors in Long Island's climate. Don't forget about the hardware. Knobs, handles, hinges, and sills can add to the cost. Unified includes standard hardware in our pricing. At Unified, we make the process simple. Our expert installers ensure your door is perfect from start to finish. Plus, you'll be protected by the best warranty in the industry. Ready for a new entry door? Contact Unified Home Remodeling for a free estimate today. Call us at 888-631-2131 or visit us online. Upgrade your home with a new entry door from Unified Home Remodeling. Enhance your security, insulation, and curb appeal. Unified Home Remodeling, making your home dreams a reality.